Hi everyone, Adi here. So welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to deep dive into a very interesting topic. So nowadays to every solution, to every problem we have a solution, and we search it in Google. So do you know how it works? So how if you search facebook.com, how it come as Facebook in the first search, and how if you search YouTube it will come, the first one will be your youtube.com. So do you know how it works? So today in the video we are going to deep dive into Google search, how it works, when you search it come up with the right search result. So let's the video get started. So before that, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So as you know, Google is a fully search engine. So basically it uses 3 steps for its Google search and search engine optimization. So in today's video we are going to see the first one, and then the next two part of the video will move into the next two process. So 3 process are your crawling, indexing, and your serving search queries. So today we are going to discuss on crawling. So what is crawl? So let's assume you have a website, let's say xyz.com. So you published it to in the public internet. So then what happens? So once your website is published, that means it is available in the internet. So what Google does is, first it will search, first stage of it crawling is it will search all the web pages present in the internet. So as you know, there is no central repository or registry in the web. So what does Google do? It keeps searching all the new pages and the updated pages in the web. So what is a new pages and the updated pages? So if Google is already visited one page, and now if there is any content change, then Google will visit that page again. That will be considered as updated page. New page if Google is visiting it the first time. So this is it's called URL discovery. So once Google find all the updated page and new page, then it will add to its known page. So that doesn't mean that all the website that is being published in the web will be crawled by Google. So let's first understand how the new web page getting discovered. So let's say you have published your web page. Let's say for example I have published my web page and I put it in my channel description. So Google has already visited my YouTube channel. So what happens, the next time it visited, it will check, okay, this is the new URL. So it may visit or may not visit, but if it visit, then it will add this to his known pages as a new website. So this is how your new web pages get discovered in Google crawler. So basically Google crawler, this is the first stage. Once your URL is discovered, then what happens? Then it will go, it may visit or may not visit to the URL, and if it is visit, then it will get all the data like image, video and all those things from the web page. So for to visit all those billion of web page and all the fetching all the data, it has billion of computers in its system. So to the mechanism which is used to fetch all the data is done by Googlebot. So Googlebot is a algorithmic programming program. So what will happen? It will determine which page to visit and how often it should visit and how many page it should crawl of a web page or website. So this is how your Google crawler works. So it doesn't mean it will crawl all the web pages or it will crawl all your links inside your web pages. So it also determines how fast it should crawl. So it generally doesn't crawl so fast, so that there will be no overload. So this is the second part of your crawling. Why all your web pages cannot be crawled? So first of all, there are few reasons behind it. First of all, they may be not allowed to crawl by the site developer, or there could be a scenario where you have to log in to get access to the website. In that case, crawl will not happen because you will not get login access. And third, there could be duplicate scenario. So for example, there could be some URL, some website which will be accessible with www dot your URL or without www. So in that case, both the content are same, but it can be accessible through www or without www. In that case, it doesn't crawl because it's a duplicate site. So this is why it doesn't crawl all the website that is published in the web. Okay, so let's understand the last part of crawling. So now your website is crawled and it is discovered by Google. So once it is crawled, so what will happen? It will go to your web page and run any JavaScript it finds in your Chrome browser. Because just like for your browser to render all your website, it runs all the JavaScript in your front end. Similarly, the Google crawler will run all the JavaScript, because without running the JavaScript, it will not able to understand or not able to see what contents does have in your website. So it runs the JavaScript and get all the content that is present in your website or web page, you can say. So this is how the first page of Google search work, the crawling. So the next part we will see how it is indexed, how it does the indexing of all your web pages. So this is the first part. I hope you like and understand how crawling happens. So please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll see indexing in the next part of the video. So thank you everyone. Bye.